Mahendra, I wanted to just kind of demo the functionality of linking on the Windows mobile app so you can get a good example of how it works. You can see here we have a project, Doug's Doghouse, a typical folder structure, and when I click on the folders, I get my list here. Um, it's similar to how the iPad works. There's one minor difference is when we go to a document and double click on it, um, it opens up a window we call the Quick Viewer. There it comes. And the Quick Viewer allows us to just basically navigate through the pages using previous and next button. And this is something we'd eventually like to add in the Windows mobile app. But it also, notice over on the right side here, has some links. Now, what a link is, if you look right here on this drawing, what this indication is saying is that the drawing A203 is relevant to this wall right here. And if we click on 203 over here, sure enough, it brings it up there and says, let's go back. It's 203 detail 1. So if we click on 203 here, sure enough, this is the detail 1. And so you can see that's exactly what it's trying to point out to. If we hit the return button again, this is exactly the view that we would see when we click on 203. So what we want to do is we want to make sure that whenever on the iPad the user opens a drawing, there's an option to display this panel. And if they display the panel, it'll show all of the links here. And as you click on each link, it'll go to the various drawings and display that drawing. And if you hit the return button, it comes back to the exact same spot that I had zoomed into on the original drawing I started the process from. So it's just a quick way to navigate. Okay, there's 203. Okay, 301. Okay, let's go back, see something else. Okay, I want to see something over here. That's 415. Okay, back. And you can see that this would be much faster than trying to use the back button, navigate through the folders to find A203, look at it, and then come back here to check some other detail. So here's 410. So okay, what's 410? Oh, there's 410. Return. There's 414. What's 414 right there? That would take a long time on the iPad. Now the second feature I wanted to show is some of the links have children. So for example, here's an RFI that is related to this drawing. In other words, what an RFI is a text document that explains a change that's supposed to be made, and that text document then would also have a photo with it. So in addition, this panel over here is not just a list box. It needs to be able to have the ability to, just like our tree control does, show some children links so you can very quickly go, oh, that's what the problem is in that image, and then again return back to the drawing. I don't know if that zoom didn't work there. Let's check it. Should maintain its zoom no matter what. It did. All right, so I hope that helps. If you want, this is the Doug's Doghouse project. It's from the Lakeline Construction instance, and you can play around with this. I'm sending you a document as well that kind of overviews some of the functionality, but I thought it'd be helpful to see a video. I'll talk to you later, and good to get you back in the saddle getting some work done here. So thanks, Mahendra. Bye.